Hello, today you're looking at a Sheldon Manufacturing VWR Scientific Electric Batch Oven brought to you by Lanco. This unit weighs in at 475 pounds. It is about 44 inches wide, 22 inches deep, and 63 inches tall. This oven is single phase, wired in at 220 volts. Right here you can see it's a VWR Scientific. It is 5200 watts, runs off electric. It is a model 1645D. You can see we have digital controls, adjustable temperature. You can see it start to rise here. The inner dimensions of the oven are 30 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and 27 inches tall. The inside is all stainless steel with 3 shelves. The max temperature is 350 degrees. Take a look in there, very clean unit. You can see it rising. If you're interested in this oven, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or you can visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.